Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we've got some changes happening to the S15. Alright, so yesterday I ended up picking up a new stainless steel turbo manifold for the S15. Well, it's not really new, it's used, but it's in pretty good condition. So yeah, I'm hoping that this will get rid of that kind of farty sound. I swear to God, I'm gonna neck these birds. Every time I press record, they fucking keep going. But yeah, I'm really hoping that the manifold will help to get rid of that kind of farty sound that the car has at the moment because of the straight pipe. The car also does have an exhaust leak at the moment, I think from scraping. So I'm hoping to get the exhaust leak fixed, get this put on, and hopefully the tone of the S15 can be completely changed. And yeah, I'm actually really keen to see what this manifold's going to sound like. So it's a low mount manifold as well. So hopefully it should bolt up in the stock position and it shouldn't need too much modification. But yeah, I'm really excited for the manifold. I also picked up a split dump pipe. I don't know why I got it. I just it was $100 and I've heard a lot of good things about split dumps. And my car currently has a stock dump pipe, so I thought, you know what, may as well get both of them and just see what kind of difference it makes. And yeah, I'm really keen. I'm gonna try and see how it sounds having these on with my straight pipe, and if I don't like it, I'll put my Canon back on. If not, I'll keep it how it is. And yeah, so I guess there's only one way to find out, and we'll find out today. So yeah, I reckon I'm going to give these a bit of a clean and see if I can make these nice and shiny again before we head out. But yeah, we'll give it a go. Alright, so I tried to clean it up as best as I could, but this is as good as I can get it. So yeah, obviously it's not the best, but I think it's better than nothing. It's going to get dirty on the car anyway, so yeah, I guess I'm going to get everything in the car and get ready to head down to the exhaust shop. I'll quickly show you guys how the setup currently is. So as you can see, it's got the stock manifold just like that. So it's going to completely change the look of the engine bay once the manifold's on. Hey guys, so I ended up taking the car to I tried a few different places, but no one was really available because they were booked out and stuff like that. And I'm kind of an impatient fuckwit, and I decided to just I really wanted it done today. Ignore this hand, it's some idiot. But yeah, so I've taken it down and I've been here for about 2 hours now. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a bit and I'll update you guys when all the parts are on the car and we'll see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we just got everything back on. So the dump pipe was actually too small to fit. So I actually have a 3-inch exhaust and the dump pipe was a 2-inch, so it wouldn't fit. But the manifold is on. I'll show you guys after. But this is the first drive with the new manifold. All right, now we're gonna do the first proper drive and see how it sounds. Let's do it. That sounds so good. That sounds so good. That sounds so good. Wow. It's full smoking still. That's bad, look, it's full smoking. Look at that, it's full smoking. Alright, so the engine's smoking really hard after that. I think it's just the manifold that's just kind of running in. But yeah, it's still a bit smoky. The fans are on full blast after that. Hopefully the car doesn't overheat, but it does sound really good. Alright guys, we're going to do a second gear pull now that it stopped smoking a little bit. That fartiness, that tractor sound, it's gone. I love it. I'm so in love. Hey guys, so right after those last clips that you saw, the car actually ended up overheating. So it turns out the exhaust shop that I went to actually broke part of my turbo where like the coolant goes into and stuff like that, which unfortunately is a $200 part. But the exhaust shop did pay me back the $200, even though I did have to kind of push for it over the phone. They maintained the whole time that it was like that before, but I do have video proof, as you can see here, that the car wasn't even leaking or anything like that before I went there. Because what was causing the smoke in the video was the coolant that was leaking from underneath the turbo was dropping onto the exhaust and causing the smoke and the steam. So obviously that's what was causing the smoke in the video. So yeah, it sucks. The Sylvia's going to be out of action for about a week, waiting on the part to come in. But yeah, it was good of the exhaust shop to pay me back for the part at least. But yeah, so that's what happened. And yeah guys, I'm not going to name and shame the workshop because they did have the decency to pay me back. I mean, they were lying. They still maintain that it was like that before, even though obviously I've proof that it wasn't. But the fact they paid me back, you know, that's good enough for me. So I'm not going to name and shame. But yeah, so that's what happened. Of course it had to happen to me. But yeah, at least the manifold's on. It sounds good, it looks good. And after next week, when it's back from the mechanics, I'll be able to enjoy it and listen to it again. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, all of that, if you guys want to see some more videos of the S15, and I'll see you guys next time.